Hello guys, welcome back again to my cooking episode. Today I'll be showing you how to make some meatballs and spaghetti pasta. So this is going to be a very interesting one. But before I continue, I need to give a big shout out to my whopping 4K subscribers. I appreciate you guys so much. I'm really excited that you guys got me up to 4K subscribers, and you guys are super amazing. I appreciate each and every one of you. And for those visiting my channel for the first time, you're highly welcomed, and I hope you like my videos as you watch them. So back to the cooking. There are so many ways to cook your pasta and come up with different amazing results, but for today I'll be making some tomato sauce pasta. The first thing I will do is to add my pasta to a pot and pour in some water for boiling, and then put this on the burner to cook for about 5 minutes. And while the pasta is boiling, I'm going to go ahead and transfer some minced meat into a bowl, and then add some salt to taste, some crushed seasoning cubes, some curry powder, some grounded ginger, dried seasoning leaves, some finely diced onions, and then break one egg into the mix just to help in holding the molds together. And then I would mix everything together until finely mixed. The mixture of the minced meat is a bit frozen, so it will take me a little more time to get it all mixed. Now I will go back to the boiling pasta and then sieve out the water and keep aside until ready to use. I will pour in some cooking oil in another pot and heat it up for the frying of the meatballs. And while waiting for the oil to get heated, I would start molding the meat mix into small balls, just about these sizes. And now that the oil is well heated, I will start transferring the molded meatballs into the hot oil, and then fry for a few minutes until brown, and then transfer it into a bowl. I will now transfer some of the oil I used for the frying into another cooking pan because it's already hot, and then I would add some sliced onions and let it fry for some time in order to release some of the onions flavor into the oil. I would also add the sliced tomatoes and then saute for a few more minutes until the tomatoes are no longer sour in taste. Then I would add some paprika, some chili, some curry powder, and after some time I would add some partially grounded crayfish. So once you add crayfish to your frying sauce, tomato sauce, it's going to dry much faster and could actually start burning. So I normally add it when my sauce is almost fried. This crayfish is actually a secret ingredient, like adding it to your frying sauce for this menu, because it gives it a very unique taste, and I really like it, and I think you're going to like it as well. So I would leave this to saute for a few more minutes. And now I could add some water. I wouldn't add so much water because the pasta is already pre-boiled. Then I would add an extra seasoning and some hot red habanero pepper just to supplement the paprika and chili. And now I can add the fried meatballs and let this boil for about extra 3 minutes. Now I would go ahead and add the pre-boiled pasta and mix very well together. and then I'll cover the pot to steam, and then I would add some curry leaves just for some extra aroma, and that's it. The meatball pasta is ready to serve. So this recipe was quite easy and straightforward for me. I would really be happy to get your feedback on how this turned out for you. So please try out my recipe and drop a comment on the comment section and tell me how it turned out for you. Thanks a lot for watching my video again. I hope you enjoyed every bit of it, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm going to see you again in my next episode. Cheers! Bye guys! Ciao!